Country music duo Smithfield is on the rise with their fresh sound that combines a little bit of rock and a little bit of country. The Texas twosome will be opening tonight for Eric Pazlay at the Brooklyn Bowl.
That's right, but first they've stopped here at the Morning Blend, nice and early in Vegas. Yeah, really a little too early for Vegas. Two halves of Smithfield, Jennifer Fiedler as well as Trey Smith. Great having both of you. How are you guys?
Thanks for having us.
Thank
We're
you.
great.
First time in Vegas.
Yeah.
First time.
A lot of fun. When did you get into town?
Yesterday.
Last night,
It's a
yeah.
little overwhelming with all the lights.
I know, I was like sensory overload
Yeah.
last night going down.
It's not
Vegas
nearly as
Boulevard.
overwhelming in the morning. All the lights are off. Yeah. So, you're on kind of a wave right now. 2016 Artist to Watch by People, by the Huff Post, by Rolling Stone.
Yeah.
No pressure.
No pressure,
No pressure.
right?
We got
But we're
what
watching.
we're about to.
This is great. You guys are busting on the scene. Tell us about those articles.
Yeah, we got the Huffington Post in the new year, and then People Country to follow, and then most recently it was Rolling Stone, which is a huge deal in the music industry.
Of course.
So that's been my favorite to be a part of.
I'm pretty sure your friend like texted you as soon as it came out. We were like, wait, seriously? This happened?
Like, no way!
Yeah.
It's pretty awesome.
It's very exciting. So you had all these articles come out. You also have, Jennifer, you've had a single,
Yes.
Nothing But the Night? Nothing But the Night. It's been making a wave here. Tell
Yeah.
us about that.
Well, if Vegas, Sirius XM listeners, that's what it's been playing on the radio. That's the largest country station in the
On
nation
Earth,
because it
probably,
reaches,
yeah.
On
it
Earth, yeah.
reaches everyone. So we've been very blessed to have that song do really well. It's been in the top 30 for the last 14 weeks, the top 30 countdown.
That's great.
And yeah, so we're pretty excited about it.
And that's a big bolster to sales as well, because I know, nowadays, it's past, 15 years, it's been tough to sell CDs,
Yes.
tough
Yes.
to sell downloads of your music. You have 1,500 downloads per week because, thank goodness, because of that serious push, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
absolutely.
it's been crazy to see it just keep rising, and we'll get all these comments and people discovering us from all over the world. It's been
That's
really
phenomenal.
cool to see.
Yeah, and people singing our song at the show is probably,
Yes, that's
to
been
me,
really
it's
Does
just been like,
does that freak you out? Like, wow, people actually
Yeah.
hear us. That's amazing.
they like
Like, wait, are you
us, they
singing
really
my,
like us.
my song?
Okay, not only on the radio, but you made an appearance on a famous country stage
Yes,
this year. An appearance at the Grand Ole
Oh.
Opry.
yes.
That's pretty sick.
That was
Yeah,
incredible.
that's been a
Yeah.
dream of mine since I was a little girl, and the fact that I got to do it with my best friend.
There's the dream.
there it
Here we
is.
go.
Oh, wow.
And this is this actually broadcast on the radio? I see it.
It is.
Yes.
650
Oh,
WSM.
There's
yep.
Mike too. That Mike.
Oh, there we go. Introduce us to the
Making
guys
an
we have here.
appearance.
We have
Yes.
to say hello.
Oh,
Yes.
Say hello.
So
and
we
introduce us.
got John Prentice over here.
Hello, sir.
On the electric guitar, and we got Mr. Mike Blong back here.
Mike's the one from the picture.
He's the one from
Yes.
the picture. From the-
now, are these guys from Texas too? Because I know you guys are native Texans.
They're not. We met these guys in Nashville.
All right.
Okay.
All right.
No,
Okay.
nothing.
You let them come along anyway.
Yeah.
So we let 'em come along.
How did it feel to be on that stage at the Grand Ole Opry?
Tell
It
us
was,
around.
you're only on the stage for 8 minutes,
Oh,
and it's
wow.
like the fastest 8 minutes of your life because
Yeah.
you just walk on and then you walk off and you're like, what just happened? But so that's kind of what it was for me. It was very special, obviously, stepping into that circle, but it just went by so fast.
Yeah.
It's kind of like the Morning Blend.
Yes, there we
Yes.
go. Because we're out of time for this interview. But where are we
Well,
going to see? Where are we going to get to see you perform in town? What's happening? The show that you're
So
playing?
yeah, we're gonna play at the Brooklyn Bowl. We're opening for Eric Pazlay tonight,
Awesome.
and we're really excited about it. Eric's gonna rock it. We're gonna rock it. It'll be a fun show.
Awesome. Very cool. You're going to perform for us now. What are you going to perform?
We're
Nothing
going
but
to
the
play
night.
Nothing But the
There we go.
Night.
The single.
Yep.
All right. Take it away,
do
guys.
it.
All right.
Come on. Come on, come on. I got this guitar and a damn good bottle of whiskey. You got that sexy way about your girl, it gets me thinking about taking you out, watching you shine beneath the midnight moon, dancing around to a 6-string sound, driving me crazy with the way you move. So come on, let's get gone. The stars are falling, don't you hear them calling? Your kiss, your lips turn me on like a firefly lighting up the July sky. Let's slip on down where the river bends. I wanna feel you on my skin. We'll find a little spot where the water's right, and we can dip on in wearing nothing but the night. Dip on in wearing nothing but the night. kiss, your lips turn me on like a firefly lighting up the July sky. Let's slip on down where the river bends. I wanna feel you on my skin. We'll find a little spot where the water's right, and we can creep on in where it's nothing but the night. Creep on in where it's nothing but the night. Night is young and I don't wanna waste it, no, no. Ever wanted somebody so bad you can taste it. So come on, let's get gone. The stars are falling, don't you hear them calling? Your kiss, your lips turn me on like a firefly lighting up the July sky. Let's slip on down where the river bends. I wanna feel you on my skin. We'll find a little spot where the water's right, and we can creep on in where it's nothing but the night. Creep on in where it's nothing but the night. Where it's nothing but the night. Come on, hey, yeah. All right, come on now. Come on.
So good. Guys, thank you so much. We're so happy to have you in
having
town.
us.
Congratulations on all your success.
Thank
And we'll
you.
see you tonight.
Okay.
This is big.
Tonight's the night.
Absolutely. Tonight is the night. Cash Smithfield live tonight at 7 p.m. inside Brooklyn Bowl at the Link. For tickets, just head to the Brooklyn Bowl's website. In the meantime, be sure to catch the latest from Smithfield on their website and on social. I love country music, man. I remember like 10, 15, 20 years ago, Achy Breaky Heart. It's like, oh my God. It's twangy. Because I'm from the East Coast. My goodness, country is killing it.
Yes.
Because of artists like you.
Thank you.
Congratulations. My goodness.